Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Gudi Padwa everyone, and in this video we'll be doing origami lily flower model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami lily flower model, we'll need a square piece of paper. So first we fold along both the diagonal axes to form an X like this, and here. Like this. Open it, we'll get an X. Turn the sheet. Now we'll fold along the horizontal and vertical axis to form a plus. Like this. Now along the plus axis here, along this plus axis, we'll just need to fold the sheet along the creases to form a smaller square. So it will be like two flaps on this side, two flaps on this side, one side closed, one side open. Just make all these folds distinct. Now towards the closed side, not the open side, towards the closed side, you need to fold it, take this reference and you need to fold it till the edge. Like this. Fold this flap. Similarly, we fold this flap. Same we repeat on the back side. Like this, and here like this. Excuse me. Yeah, this is how it looks. Now you open each side like this, one flap. Fold you since we have folded on this side, we'll just fold it on this side as well along the same crease, and then we open it along from the bottom side, and then we fold it like this. This is how it looks, and then fold it from the center. So same thing we need to do for all the three flaps. So again we have this one, so just fold it on the opposite side along the crease and then open it from the center and then fold it in between like this. Two done. So now as you can see, these two are there. So open the flap, fold it on back side, make the crease intact and then open it from bottom like this, and done. Now the last one, fold it, open it from the bottom and then pack it like this. So as you can see, this is how it looks. So what we can do is we can have a center like this. So here it's an open edge like this, as you can see. One flap, so take one here, here, so two here, two here. This is how it looks. Now turn your sheet like this. You have these four edges like this, so we need to fold it from here. Pick one edge, then fold it like this. Similarly we do it on this side. Fold it like this. Now we open this and we open this entire thing and we fold it like this and then press it. This is how it looks. There is a slight gap here, but that is fine. We can adjust it later. So this is how it looks. Excuse me, sorry. So let me show it to you again on the opposite side. So pick one flap like this, fold it, pick another flap from this side, fold it till the center, and then open these two, open this area, this closed area, and then pack it again, and then make a triangle here like this. Like this you make a triangle. So now two sides are done, this side and this side. Now we'll just move here. This one side is pending and this one side, so two more sides are pending, so I'll just open it like this fashion. Now always make sure that this is an open edge, like this is open flap. So just slowly make a tip, proper fold like this, and here like this. And open it, open this flap, close it, make a triangle, and done. Turn your page, and the last one. This is like a symmetric model, so the steps will be repeated through and through. Open the flap, close like this. So as you can see, we have four sides like this here. So now as you can see, this is how it looks. See, it opens from the top and it's closing at the bottom. So now what you need to do is you hold these two edges or the flaps, you open this section, fold it like this, open this section, you need to fold it inwards like this, fold it inwards and close it back, fold it inwards and close it back like this. Let me show it to you again. So you have these two flaps, hold these two flaps like this, just make a fold here like this. This needs to go in basically. So this is popping out now. So hold two flaps, this one and this one, just open it, pop it back like this inward, and then fold it again. So the outward thing goes in. Similarly we need to do it here and here. We have two more. So again, hold, make a fold like this for simplicity, for easy folding. Open it like this, push it in, and then fold it back. And the last one, make a fold like this, hold these two, open it, push it in, and fold it back like this. So as you can see, this is a closed edge, so always make sure that you are on the open side of it. So you will get four open sides, this, here and here. See, these are the four open sides like this. Now the final step. So now we need to consider the closed back portion, so we'll just flip it like this. Here also we'll just take the back portion like this. Now you need to fold. Let me just align it. See, as you can see, it is uneven, so I just made it symmetric here and here. So now, not on this side but on this side, you just need to fold it. This is the close edge, so you'll take a reference and just fill. This is a hard fold because it had multiple folds, so there is a hard fold here. Just press it tightly, and also on this side. Similarly we do it on the opposite side. Again the same thing, we need to repeat on four sides. So this is the second one. As you can see, I have to literally press it hard so that the fold retains. So now 2 sides are done. Now I'll just open this center flap like this. So similar way we fold it here. And here. Like this, and then the last one. Like this. Press it tightly. So this is how it looks. Now the final touch, we might need a pen. Just taking this pen. So take this top portion and just roll it like this. This is the leaf basically. So you can roll it till here, this point. This is how look, this point. Similarly we do it on this side. Just hold it, roll it. And we do the same on this flap. Like this. You can open it. Basically it forms a boxy structure, and then roll it like this. So, and then we just adjust all the petals properly. Thanks for watching. This is a lily flower. Catch you guys in next video. Take care, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Once again, happy Gudi Padwa everyone, and enjoy the festival. Take care, guys.